Hi guys, welcome to the entrepreneurs community. Philip Jonner is my name. So I was talking to one of my friends and my followers, by the way, about COVID-19. So I thought I would make a video about this and talk about what we discussed, and I would share with you, and I think it can help someone. So we were talking about COVID-19 and he asked me this question, that how can one make money in this situation, and how can you start a business, and how can you run a business if you are already with a business, right? So as we were talking, we were just discussing what is possible and what is not possible, right? So one thing when we were talking, what I told him was, if we say when is COVID-19 going to end, I don't know. And what is COVID-19? What is this really about? I'm not a scientist to that extent, but all I know is that it's just a pandemic. And a pandemic is a disease, just like HIV and AIDS, Ebola, whatever the case may be. And these things affect the business community to a greater extent, and they influence what we call an economic recession. So the problem that we have when we have an economic recession in any nation, I think the problem that we have, we act as if things are not okay. We don't put too much effort because there is a term that is a recession. We are all being told that there is COVID-19. So people, we were given, maybe the governments are announcing for us to go on lockdown our businesses, stay at home, whatever the case may be. So many people, we then go to home, maybe we relax, or as if we just finished our A levels, or we have finished school, now we need to go on holiday. But there's no holiday on business at the end of the day. So one thing I just discussed with my colleague was that I think in any economy, even if there is war, someone wants to buy something. So whatever it is that you want to sell, someone wants to buy it. So don't resume and say, don't resume to activities that don't influence your business, right? In other words, don't close. But the problem here is, if you look at Africa and maybe Zimbabwe to a great extent, 75% of the businesses are SMEs, right? Which means that the ugly truth is that COVID-19 is here to stay, right? I don't know when it's going to end, but I believe it's here to stay. Maybe we can go for maybe 2 years with COVID-19 as a pandemic. I don't know what measures will be taken by governments anymore. But what I figured out is, because we have SMEs, the ugly truth is a lot of businesses are going to close because of this thing. Because there are certain regulations and measurements that you want to comply with COVID-19, and if you don't have the capacity, basically it's going to be tough for you. No one is going to force you to close, but the situation is going to force you to close, right? So I think my advice to whoever in business during these times is, number one is stay in your lane, right? Stay in your lane. Why? Because you have been running whatever you've been running. Maybe you started it 6 months ago, 3 months ago, 2 months ago. But there's a very, very important thing about business that is called a brand, right? Stay in your lane and continue creating your brand. It shows your customer, it builds customer loyalty within your customers, and it also gives your customers confidence in your products, and they also know that you are in business to stay, right? So the other thing is, you have to embrace the digital transformation, right? Digital transformation is basically becoming up with an entirely new business model that is backed by digital technology, right? Digital technology consists of digital tools and services, such as digital marketing, which involves websites and email marketing, stuff like that. You need to involve your business towards coming up with a new business model that's backed by digital technology. Because right now, the easiest thing for you is to reach out to your customers online, right? If you look at applications like Vimeo and Zoom and Oculus VR, in this era of COVID-19, their shares have risen to a greater extent, because these applications and softwares and companies are focusing their products, embracing digital transformation. So COVID or no COVID, digital transformation, ready or not, is reinventing business each and every day. So I think it's advisable for you to resort to digital transformation, right? The other thing is simple advice that I think you should also do is to keep hold of your customers, because a customer is the biggest investor of your business. If you never have investors, if you don't have customers, that is the most important, biggest investor of your business is your customer. Keep hold of your customers, call them every day, give them updates each and every day, give them advise them in any measures you are taking regarding COVID-19. Keep them close, because the online community is very small now. If you go online at the end of the day, you have a potential of losing more customers as well, because everyone online is not limited. You can compete with bigger companies. In companies, there's now a very big congestion, because it's now a global community. So you need to keep hold of your customers, calling your customers every day, give them that physical interaction with you, not just talking on WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram, whatever the case may be. So get hold of your customers. So in conclusion, what we discussed was just stay in your lane, embrace digital transformation, and also keep hold of your customers. By the way, before we close, COVID-19 is here to stay. Keep the precautions and the measures that they are advising us, like sanitizing our hands, keeping a clean environment each and every day. Stay at home and stay safe.